25 July 2025, and Orlando Pirates makes a huge announcement to say they're parting ways with their lethal striker, Zakhele Lepasa. Can you imagine that Zakhele Lepasa is leaving Pirates? Yes, he's leaving Pirates, man. I mean, this is the player that came through their development structures before they will send him out on loan to teams such as Stellenbosch FC, TS Galaxy, and SuperSport United. And he returned to Pirates in 2023, hoping to revive his career and also probably make a big impact in the Pirates team. But injuries put him on the sidelines and he struggled for game time because of that. But now he's injury free and Pirates are letting him go. Would you have let him go if you were in charge? If it was up to you, would you let him go? I doubt. But someone else will argue to say, but this guy played 67 games for Pirates, only scoring 13 goals. That's not a good return. Probably a justification for him to be released. And also someone else will say, but this guy is always injured. Maybe that's the reason why he's being released, because it doesn't make sense Pirates would release a player like this one. Because if you look at how Pirates play, they have Makgopa and Mabasa as their strikers. And these players, they play different kind of styles. And I feel like Lepasa is sort of an in-between of both. He sort of embodies both of them. He's a combination of both players, Makgopa and Mabasa. So why would you let go of such talent? Especially knowing that he's so lethal. He scores these kind of goals, man. These are the goals that Lepasa scores. So why would you let him go? Probably it's because he's always injured. I don't know. Maybe it's because Pirates want to offload. If you look at their squad number, it's too high. Maybe they want to free some space. I don't know. We don't know where he's headed. We'll be keeping tabs to see where he's going so we can come back here and tell you as it is. But people are joking to say, maybe Kaizer Chiefs are gonna scramble in a dustbin for him, like they've done with Marco and Monyan. But then if you look at how he plays, I doubt Lepasa is going to struggle to find a team in the PSL, even going abroad. But because he's some sort of injury prone, teams might want to rethink signing Lepasa. We don't know. But yeah, Lepasa is joining a lot of players that are struggling to find teams in a Betway Premiership. But we'll be keeping tabs on this one to see where he ends up. Thank you guys. See you in the next upload.